Hello folks, come on in. I'm Dean with Dean's Woodworking. Come on in the shop, make yourself at home. We're going to talk a little bit about tonight about the shop update and what's been going on. We've had some videos that were uploaded that were very well received. Let's see, we uploaded two this week, one on trees and another one on the funnel. And I got to say, I had a blast doing that funnel. For years, I've had different ones say, well, I joined the funnel club. I went through the bottom of a bowl, and you know, you hear that enough, you go, well, wait a minute. If everybody's turning a funnel, how much fun would it be to actually turn a funnel? So indeed, that is exactly what I did. And if you hadn't seen it, go ahead and take a look and watch it. It is actually a funnel made from a piece of oak. And it was just as green as it could be, but fortunately I was able to get it dried out in the microwave and get it dried without cracking. So that worked out great. Now I have a funnel that I can sit over and talk about the next time somebody says something about turning a funnel. And again, that was just fun. I did have a new tool added to the shop this week. Let me show you guys. Got a new 1/2-inch Carter & Son spindle gouge. Of course, I've been converting most of my newer tools over to the Stewart Batty handle system. Really like the system, not advertising for them, but just wanted to show you what it looks like. And basically, it's a taper lock that goes in there. So you can go from a short handle to a medium length handle. And if that's not long enough, then you can take it to a longer handle. And they make these things up to like 40 inches, folks. It's kind of crazy, but I tell you what, I've really enjoyed the system, and more of my tools, as I get those, I'm converting them over to that system. Let's talk just a little bit about what's coming up this week. Now, I will be uploading a video tomorrow afternoon on a baby rattle. And of course, I've got a new great grandson coming, and we're super excited. Had a little shower for the kids yesterday, and so had to present my grandson with a captured ring, 3-ring baby rattle, and I have videoed that, and that will be uploading tomorrow. So super excited about the baby coming, and glad that I was able to do that for him. And hopefully one of these days he'll be tuning into YouTube watching his baby rattle getting made. So just overall excited about all of that. Got a couple of other things that are coming up this week. My plans are to do some Easter eggs, and who knows what else may be coming up. But the really big news, and what I wanted to let everybody know about, is I will be doing an interactive remote demo turning across for the Worldwide Wood Turners, and that'll be Wednesday night. And if you folks have not tuned in to the Worldwide Wood Turners on Wednesday night, you just need to do that. First of all, it doesn't cost you a dime. It's free. And great group of folks. From 6 to 7, typically there's just chat and talking, and it may be folks talking about the weather or something they've done in their shop or whatever. At 7 o'clock, the demonstration starts, and we always have a good demonstration, and looking forward to giving one myself. And then after that, there's a show and tell where you get to see what other people from not just around the country are doing, but people from around the world. And if you haven't tuned in, you owe it to yourself, if you're a wood turner, to tune in and watch that. And if you've tried in the past to tune in and maybe they were full and couldn't take you, well, guess what? This Wednesday night, they've got a whole brand new Zoom license, and instead of being limited to 100 folks, they can have as many as 300 people in the meeting. So go ahead and log into the website. Click on the link for the meeting. It'll take you right there. And again, that's Central Standard Time that I was talking about. It opens at 6, demo starts at 7 Central Standard Time. I hope to see you folks there. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. I thank you so much for watching, and it's awesome to be able to keep up to date with you guys and keep the videos coming. The other thing, if you turn a funnel or a flower or a tree, or hey, if you turn anything, share it with me, put it in the comments, and just put shop update there. And I will include it on the shop update to share with everybody. I know there's some great talent out there. A lot of you are probably a whole lot better turners than I am. And I just appreciate you watching and enjoy sharing. So thanks, stay happy, stay healthy, and happy turning.